Before you start and for more detailed information, read the safety instructions saved on the USB memory stick. Also, check what your country, your insurance company, and what the car manufacturer's requirements are to be sure what areas of the windshield are repairable. During the windshield repair, make sure to wear non-reusable gloves and safety goggles. Throw away the gloves as soon as you are finished. Spray water on the windshield to check for a hydrophobic coating. If the water beads up, there is a coating on the shield. Make sure that you don't spray any water into the brake. To be able to access the brake better, it is advised to remove such a coating. You can do that by rubbing acetone directly into the brake. There are different types of brakes, such as linear, combination, star brake, bullseye, or half moon. To help you identify, you can use a white piece of paper. Identifying a damage as a linear, combination, or star brake can be a great indicator to use a drill. Use the drill in a 90-degree angle and drill into the brake to make sure that the resin can flow perfectly. Alternatively, you can use the slide hammer to open up the brake. Clean the brake with a probe. Try to free it from any loose glass. Wet each suction cup of the stand with window cleaner. Remove excess product with your thumb. Center the stand directly above the brake and push each suction cup onto the shield. If necessary, adjust the position of the stand by sliding. Center the mirror on the back of the shield so that you have a good view around the brake. Remove the white seal on the top of the injector and open the handle. Choose your resin and put 3 drops into the opening. Put the seal back on. Screw the injector handle upwards until the resin touches the seal. Put the injector into the according hole in the stand. And when the position is right, tighten the locking screw on the stand. Unscrew the injector handle to create vacuum. Wait 30 seconds. Slowly screw in the injector handle until the white seal expands. Monitor how the glue fills the cracks from each side. Repeat the vacuum and pressure cycle as often as needed. We recommend repeating at least once. You can take care of different tasks while waiting, or use these tips to help the process. Use the probe to flex the shield to help the flow. Take your time with this step. Use the polishing cork or your finger to rub against the back side of the shield, where the brake is. Place the lamp above the injector and the stand. And turn it on. When the process is done, you can remove the lamp, the injector, and the stand. Apply pit filler into the middle of the brake. Put on the curing tab. Don't press it down. Cure the resin with a UV bed lamp. You can also use the UV flashlight for curing. When the curing is done, remove the lamp and the curing tab. Use a razor blade in a 90-degree angle and remove the excess product with quick strokes. Apply polisher into the middle of the brake. Use the cork to polish the shield.